Teamwork is the secret that makes common people achieve uncommon results. Ifani Oniuha said that. He was right. If we relate that quote to Agile project management, Scrum is the first thing that comes to mind. For the record, Scrum is also built on teamwork. It helps people work together to solve problems and deliver results. In this lecture, we will talk about Scrum, as it's one of the best ways to manage tough projects. Let's study this in detail. Here is what you will learn: the structure of Scrum and its roles, the key events in Scrum and why they matter, the benefits of working with Scrum. Scrum is a framework used in Agile project management to help teams work together effectively. Teams use it to handle complicated problems and deliver value one piece at a time. It focuses on delivering value in short, manageable cycles called sprints, usually 2 to 4 weeks. So, Scrum focuses on teamwork, accountability, and getting better every step of the way. Let's learn about the basic structure of Scrum. For the record, Scrum has 3 roles, including Product Owner, Scrum Master, and Development Team. Each role has a specific purpose. The Product Owner has the vision. They decide what's most important and what the team should work on next. This briefing on a project helps teams to focus on what needs to be done and manage the project efficiently. For instance, in a startup, the product owner listens to customers. If they need new features, the product owner adds them to the list. The Scrum expert clears the path and provides guidance. They ensure the team follows Scrum rules and fixes problems that can hinder the project's progress. For example, during sprint planning, the Scrum expert steps in to resolve a conflict. This keeps the team focused. This team includes everyone needed to deliver the product, such as developers, designers, and testers. These are the people who build the product. They're self-organized and decide how to get the work done. For example, at a software company, the team includes developers, designers, and testers. Together, they create new app features. Moving forward, let's look at basic Scrum events and their purposes. Sprint planning is the meeting where the Scrum team decides what work they will complete during the next sprint, a fixed time period, usually 2 to 4 weeks. For example, a team decides to finish user authentication during the next 2-week sprint is sprint planning. Daily Scrum is more about a day-to-day update. Team members share their work updates with the Scrum expert about what tasks they will complete at the day's end. For instance, a developer says, "Yesterday I finished the login screen. Today I will work on the registration page." When the sprint is completed, the development team shares the completed task with the stakeholders for review. The stakeholders in turn share their feedbacks with the team. For example, the team presents a prototype to the client. The client gives feedback on what to improve. The team reflects on what went well and what needs to get better. For example, the team notices unclear tasks caused delays. They decide to improve backlog refinement for the next sprint. Scrum works because it is clear and flexible. Here is why teams love it. Transparency. Scrum ensures that everyone, including team members, stakeholders, and clients, know what's happening at all times. Flexibility. Teams can adjust when priorities change. This means that the team may shift to another project based on its urgency. Fast delivery. Work gets done in small pieces, so progress is steady. Continuous improvement. Teams get better with every sprint. Write about the role of a Scrum expert. How do they help a team succeed? Plan a sprint for a simple project, decide tasks, and assign roles. Scrum isn't just a set of rules. It is a way to work together and get results. Thank you for listening. Have you experienced working on Scrum? Do share your ideas in the comment section.